Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another video from Serbia. Today we're gonna visit the town of Ram near the Danube, and we're also gonna fly the drone. Let's get into the vlog. So we came to this town to see the fortress, but it was closed for reconstruction, so at least we got some views of the Danube here. After taking some photos on top of the hill, we drove down to Danube, where we see that there is a ferry going all the way to Vojvodina, so there could be a nice trip also to do that one day. So here you can see the Ram fortress from down, but unfortunately it was closed for reconstruction, same like the Golubats castle, so hopefully they'll open them soon. So here on the other side it's still Serbia, but if you go over here, somewhere there is already Romanian border. So the Danube keeps going this way to Belgrade. And if you go that way, you go through Veliko Gradište, Golubats, and on the other side there is the Romania, and then you go through Iron Gates. It seems like some port for boats here, but it's pretty gnarly. After a few minutes of walking by the Danube, we got to this beach, so it looks pretty nice. Even though it's September, it's still pretty warm, so I might try to swim a little bit. So despite being already September, the water was actually pleasantly warm. The only unpleasant thing was the mud and pieces of wood and other debris, and the Danube is also not the cleanest river. They dump lots of sewage in there. We discovered a sign about the Iron Curtain Trail, so there is lots of cycling trails along the Danube here, so that's why we see many cyclists here. And here we're feeding some vegan pretzels to a street dog, so we try to help anywhere we can. So as I mentioned, these routes are popular for cycling, especially for cycling touring. And now we see the Silver Lake on the right side, which is actually like a dead branch of the Danube. You can see it's separated from Danube by the main road. So we're gonna stop here a little bit and enjoy the sunset. So here we got the Danube again on the left side. Danube is the second longest river in Europe with 2,850 kilometers. Danube flows through 10 European countries, starts in Germany, goes through Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Croatia, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, Ukraine and Moldova. And here we are flying drone in a Serbian countryside near Kučevo. So here I'm trying the point of view mode where you're circling around me. I don't have to hold the controller at all. We are lucky enough to have lots of forests here because it's a hilly area, so people can't use it for pastures as much, but the animal agriculture is threatening this forest as well. So you can see the environmental destruction the best from the air. So you can see here the fields, most of them are for growing corn or barley. That's for feeding the animals, or just for growing the grass that's cut down and fed to animals. So the grass-fed industry is a big marketing thing because they just cut the grass and feed to the cows that are inside, because if they let the cows outside they will just eat the grass much faster, but by cutting them they can control it much easier. That's why you rarely see animals outside here on the fields, because it's not profitable for them. They just cut the grass and feed it directly to them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short vlog from Serbia. There are more videos coming up like mountain bike adventures, so stay tuned for that. And as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.